All right. So we are live again. Gold is moving like crazy. This is not we expect. We'll see. Hello, Sachin. How are you, bro? How are you, mate? Hope you're doing good. Invite your friends. Invite your friends, whoever the friends trader. Let's trade together. Invite them on the live. Let's see how the thing goes. Let's start analyzing the gold right now. Let me clear this all. Let me clear these all. Let's take a look on the daily. Okay. The daily and the weekly are on the point that we have expected last week. We expected two scenarios. So the first of all, we were expecting the price to continue pushing up and hit this area, okay, somewhere around here, but didn't. It just made a wick. The weekly made a wick. Okay, this one made a wick down and came upside, broke the high of the previous candle. This is how we were expecting, but things changed and drastically it just fallen down last week, especially on the Friday. That move was hilarious. Let's say on the daily, we are on the support right now. But we are, this rejection that that looks like, we are respecting this area. Okay, we are respecting this area right now, and that rejection looks like, we might continue pushing up. On the 4 hours it happened the same. It rejected all the way from the down. Okay, let me keep correcting the levels as we are moving to the lower time frames. But on the 1 hour time frame, okay, so keep that in mind. The current 4 hour candle have rejected from somewhere out here, which is indicating that current 4 hour candle is bearish and the trend is also the bearish, and we cannot expect the price to to continue hyperly bullish at this point, because the volume of the bears are huge. All right. So on 30-minute time frame we can see clearly. Let me do some settings here. Scale fix. Yeah, now we can move it. Okay, so we got a rejection. At this point from 45.50 and 45.49, 45.50, this is the rejection point at this area right now. And we have a range, a small range, which means that price might get stuck. Okay, price might get stuck somewhere around here, and we have clean range from the left hand side. If you can see on, for the shorts, if we break below and close below this area, there's a very huge chances for the price to continue pushing bearish for 200 pips. That's huge. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Yes sir, exactly. We got this range and we want price to break below this area, 45.30. $45.29, 24, 45.30. This is the area we are looking for. If the price breaks below this area, we have a huge range from the left hand side that we can rely on. This 300 pips range. That's huge. Let's see how price reacts on it. And I guess the sell is very good, while on the buy side we don't see any clear range. No, nothing. 30-minute, we have this range, but this is not enough because we have these problems. Okay, these rejections. It might reject from here. It's just 70 pips, 80 pips only. No good for buys. I'm not gonna buy until we break above this area with volume. Not buying until we break above the 45.80 and 45.81. Yeah, 45.81. It should just break above this level, and we are considerably going for the buys. But for now we're just waiting. I assume that on 15-minute we might have a trade, but we have to wait for a breakout. This is a pre-London, right? This is a pre-London, and the volume might be a little bit low. Let's see. Guys, like the stream, support and share it with your friends, invite them, all of them. Ask me anything in your, about your experience, about your the trading journey. Ask me anything in the live chat, and we will go through it, share your analysis. We will trade together. This is how we strengthen our, as a team we trade, as a team we analyze things and profit from it. Until then, cheers. Having some juice. Until then, no, Asian session, Sachin. Asian session is good for trading. No, let me show you. Okay, today is a Monday. Today, that was the move from the Asian session. Okay, so this was the move from the Asian session, and right now it's an Asian session. But mostly Asian sessions are stuck. I mean, they range a lot. Normally on the Tuesdays, on the normal weekdays, they range a lot. So, let's see these ranges. Okay, you see from here to here, this is the Asian session we be ranging. And once market just broke, and it's opened with some volume, and some volume kicked in, and then it just came. It had to, because see, the market was closed since last 2 days because of the weekend, and we don't know how much money have been just taken out of it or just put it back into it for the shorts. On this weekend, we see the outcomes on the Monday when market is open, right? So as market is open, this is volume, but in the normal days you won't see any good volume from the Asian session. This is why I mostly trade the pre-London and the London session, because this volume is stable. First of all, it's not too much volatile, it's not too much laggy. All right, it's just balanced within this time. This is why I trade mostly the London sessions. See, this is my pre-London alarm. I set this up. I mean, I set the alarm up. Now this is a pre-London, only 1 hour before the London Open, and now we might see some volume. Can we take a shot with the impulse entry as we break below these areas? Can we? Overall, it's Monday, and the volume has already played its role. It might correct itself. Like, we have this range. Of 30 pips. 30 pip range. And can we take an impulse entry? Let's see if the current 30-minute candle wick up, and which is doing it right now. Okay, wick up, break below its own, break below the previous candle's low and its own low. Can we take a shot? This is 30-minute. Looks like we have broke the low already. This is interesting. I mean, yeah, we can take a trade if the current 30-minute candle breaks its own low. I'm gonna take a one-lot size and the low of the previous candle. Then with volume, there's expectations that price can continue pushing down. Let's see. see how that goes. This is going to be the first trade on this account. I just built on Dominion funding, the Dominion markets live account. This is going to be the first trade on it. Let's see. Our stop loss gonna be 60 pips, 60, 70 pips, and take profit is somewhere on 2500 pips. I don't know. Let's see how this candle reacts. Let's see how this current 30-minute candle reacts. If it goes like breaks its own low, then we are up to shorts. Then we are up to shorts. Damn, see the volume. It's continuously just breaking its own highs. This is dangerous right now. Right now, this is dangerous. It could be a fake out. Who knows? Who knows? No, I don't like this. I don't like this. This candle, the current 15-minute candle, is retracing more than 50% of the previous one. This is not good for shorts. This is not very good for the shorts. I don't really like how this candle moved up. This is not very good for the trade. Exactly not good for the trade. We'll see. Stay on the 30-minute time frame. Now the volume is very crazy. I mean, the previous 30-minute candle was like 200 pips. That's huge. That's huge. That's so fucking huge. Let's take a look on the fundamentals of it. If there's any news for its factory. No, there isn't any news for. There isn't any good news for the USD today. Let's see on Tuesday. We got ADP weekly. Canadian dollar have CPI. On Wednesday, we got FOMC meeting minutes, which could affect the market. And on Thursday, we got the unemployment claim and Philly Fed manufacturing index, and also the building permits and housing. So that's not going to be a very good issue for it. But on Friday we don't have any news. Yeah, let's take a look on. Let's check a look on some. See here, you guys can see. We'll see now. But we also keeping an eye on also the gold, how it's moving, so we don't miss the move. But let's take a look on some fundamentals of it. And on the news, stocks, currencies. Let's do the latest and let's see how that goes. Asian stock slips on the tech losses, and this is the stock news, and we don't want it. Search. Yeah. Here we are. The news. I want the news on the gold. What's going on right now? The gold locked in a bearish trend with the bonus. It bounces off a ramp of 4538 level and refreshes hourly. Gina. Now this is 2 hours ago. Gina Reinhardt Hancock prospecting adds defense and stocks on US portfolio. That's not a matter. Stock Australia stock more that close. Damn, the stocks are down and gold is down. It was just opposite. I mean, it was opposite back then. I mean, when the stocks are bearish, gold should go up. Here's something is different. Let's take a look on the VTI oil. The VTI, yeah, just the oil funds, and yeah. How do we add it? Let's take a look on this. Oil is up. Oil is bullish. Yeah, that push was really personal on oil with gold. I mean, the correlation between oil and gold is still being valid. I mean, you see, the VTI just moved up without even bringing a wick down on the weekly, and on the daily and weekly both. There's a huge potential for the oil to continue pushing up. I don't know. Let's see. Still, we are in the range. We want current 30-minute candle to, the wick down and continue pushing down. Yes, sir. We'll see. Still nothing is happening, bro. Still nothing is happening. Which stocks do you guys trade? I mean, if any of you guys have traded stock, let me know. S&P 500, US oil, US 30, Nasdaq, what do you trade? Before, because right now you guys are trading the gold, right? It should be. The 30-minute candle is still not doing good. Not doing very good. Here could be something. I mean, if the current 30-minute have just closed like within the range, see the 15-minute already closed. Can we take a buy? Can we? But it's in the range, and there could be possibility for price to continue pushing up for 90 pips. Stop loss would be 40 pips. Can we take a buy? I don't know. See the problems here, the rejections are a lot of them, and 30-minute candle haven't yet closed. It's about to break its high. It can continue pushing up till here, but we don't know. We won't trade it. I mean, this is a good range. I mean, 90-80 pips range if you put your stop losses here for 50 pips, but these things are the problem, and we are closing back into the range. I cannot trust it. I mean, yeah, I cannot trust it. We don't know it. We really don't know it. It's better to wait for current 30-minute candle to close. Then we will see. Then we will see, but not right now. Not at all. I'm not gonna risk on it. We have 12 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close. We'll see if it closes bullish under that level within this range, or it breaks its own low, then we continue pushing down. Even though the risky here is it gets like, where you put your stop loss. The stop loss is going to be huge. This is crazy. We were anticipating for this kind of closed back into the range without respecting and breaking below this low, but I don't know. We just closed above this area right now, and we are just waiting for 30-minute to close. If current 30-minute closes like the low bullish volume candle, then the other probability is going to be for the next one to wick up and break the low of the previous 30-minute candles and continue pushing down till those wicks. That could be a possibility, but right now there isn't any possibility for price to continue pushing up, because on 15-minute we are stuck. This range is messy. We are under the messy range. We cannot trust it. We cannot trust it. I mean, we have to wait for our price to break below its own low on the 30-minute. That's going to be a very good point for us to get an entry and let it be running for the shorts. No volume at all. There's no volume at all. Okay, we're all stuck with the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes. No, only 30 minutes, not 15 minutes. It's not good. The 15 minutes isn't good. Doesn't look good. We have just 7 minutes for 30-minute candle to close, and we'll see on the next one if we be able to get any trade or not. Next candle will decide for us. Guys, like this stream, share it with your friends, invite them on it, share your analysis, share your thoughts, what do you think about it, and we will be taking a look on it. Don't you worry about it. I will teach you just like a 5-year-old kid. This is how easy it's gonna be to trade. You see, people are charging for things like this, to teach it, and we are doing it on live without any cost. Telling you when to stop, not to trade, telling you when to enter, how to analyze. These basic things are very hard to get, so respect that. The 30-minute doesn't look like it's shorting. I mean, how it's moved up, we cannot rely on the shorts at this point until we see any rejection. This was a very good trade, but we anticipated it. I mean, here we could close, but these rejections were not letting us to enter. It's okay. If you miss a trade, doesn't matter. We're still safe. Your capital is still safe. No need to rush. Market is open 24/7. It's not going anywhere. It's just a Monday, and I'm not willing to lose my money. It's better to wait. It's better to follow your strategy. It's better. Yeah, it's moved very good. I mean, look at it. Like 60 pips. Stop loss. Yeah, 70, 80 pips. It's gonna be. It was like a 1-to-1 risk to reward trade. I don't like it because these rejections. It's okay. It's okay. We just want candle to close on 30 minutes. See how that goes. I was tired. I mean, I was traveling somewhere. I just came from it, and when I came, I started life. I didn't want to miss it. I mean, this is how dedicated I am for you guys to provide some content. We are here for the next 20 minutes. 30 minutes. When it closes on 1 hour, it's just rejecting this level. 1 hour is rejecting this level. I mean 45, 45. 45 is the level we are rejecting right now. We'll see. Three minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close. 3 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close. Let's see how it does. All right, we have just 2 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close, and we'll see. And I don't think so. The selling is a very good idea from here now, but if it closes like somewhere here and next candle makes a wick up a little bit for 40 to 30 pips, that's it, and breaks the low of the previous 30-minute candles, so this is going to be a very good opportunity for price to continue pushing down. Let's see, how do we add the box in here? I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Tools. Not here. Alright guys, 30-minute candle has just been closed. 30-minute is closed above. It made a support right here. Now this is the new support, and we'll see with volume, we have 30 minutes left for the London session to open, and we'll see where the price drives itself, where it gets us. I mean, I don't know. Can we do a buy? Pips, 30 pips sell. Can we do it if the current 30-minute candle breaks its own high and continue pushing up, fill this wick? Stop loss is gonna be here because we closed above the range. Let's see. To fill this wick, on 30-minute and on the 15-minute as well. That is a range, man. I don't like it, but let's see. Let's take a look. I'm gonna take a small risk on my account. 0.30. All right. Yeah, accept it. Okay, I'm in. Putting the take profit here. Stop losses are below the 15-minute candles low. Let's see. Now. We are in 10 pips in profit right now. We are 10 pips in the profit right now, but I want it like for, let's see. I'm gonna close some partials as we move to some good profit. I'm gonna close 0.20 right now. Yeah, just now. Yeah, I just saved it. Secure it. $100 already been secured, and right now we are. Let's put this in the break-even, or let it be running. I mean, you know what? Just let it be running. I mean, let it be running for. Let it be running for. Okay. I'm gonna secure another position. I mean, let's see, 0.05. I'm gonna secure another half in this one. Yeah, that's good. Damn, the volume, look at it. The volume is crazy. Putting the stop loss in the break-even. Let's put the stop loss into the break-even right now, and we'll do one thing. I will remove the TP now. Let it go. Already secured $124 and still running into the profit. Let it go. I mean, yeah, whatever. If it hits my break-even, let it be. If it keeps continue up, we don't know until where. We just secured our money, right? We just secured our money. That's it. We secured our money. This is what we secured. $34. $124 with only 0.30 lot size. The first trade on this account. This is the only first trade on the account, and we have already secured some money. That's amazing. That's it. That's what we need. Now it's hitting my break-even. Let it be. I mean, I'm already into the profit, right? Okay. Hit my break-even. We secure already the 35 pips we have already secured. That's it. We called it a day. We were anticipating price to fill this wick of the. We were anticipating price to fill this wick after this 30-minute candle opens. This is the pre-London, right? And our stop loss was here. Our stop loss was here, and our take profit. Yeah, 40 pips stop loss, and take profit was for 90 and 100 pips. We secured it on the 30 pips. I mean 35 pips. That's it. This is how fast it's moved, and it just hit my. I closed my. This is how you manage your. First of all, this is how you manage your risk. This is how you manage your profits. You close some partials. Okay, you close some partials. You save something, and you be tension free. I mean, you don't have any tension right now, and put everything into the break-even after closing the 90% or 70% of your other running profit trade. Put the stop loss into the break-even. Remove the take profit. And see where price gets you. This is how easy it is. It's okay. The patience is everything, guys. Look, we had a chance on 15-minute time frame to take a trade on this candle when sisters broke above, and we could have booked some good profit, but we waited. Why we just waited? Because the 30-minute candle was open already, and the previous 30-minute already broken. We love this rejection area. That was hilarious. If we could have taken this trade, the candle might come back down, break the sell low and keep pushing down. But we waited. Why? To close this candle on the bullish side or the bearish side. Then we decide to take a trade. and on this 30 minute we just booked it in within just 5 minutes. This is how fast you can. $125 is someone's monthly salary you made. This is someone's a monthly salary you have made. I mean, with just 5 minutes, this is how fast trading gets you. This is how fast it is. I mean, the volume is crazy. This is why, Sachin, if you're watching, like, you were asking for the volume, the Asian volume, like. So in the session wise, this is why I trade mostly the London session and the pre-London session. Look at it. It's stable, balanced, and predictable. But on on the New York session or the Asian session, it's unpredictable. It breaks and fakes out. Might continue moving into your direction. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, it's get stuck sometime. This is the problem with it. Okay, we have just 8 minutes to end this stream. I have just eight minutes to end this stream. Ask it whatever you want to ask, and we'll answer it. Why this? Yeah, the trade history was off. How much profit we have booked? It was 50 pip. Yeah, it was the 50 pip profit we have booked. We closed some partials here. Yeah, we closed some partials here and here, and let the price to be running and moved my stop loss to the break even. Amazing. 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 This is how fast you can get rich. This is overnight success. Damn, man. You can have an overnight success, but it just demands a good understanding of whatever you are doing right now in your life. Okay. We took the price up, we closed it, called it a day. I mean, the discipline is everything. Discipline is everything. And this is scaling the windows so you guys can see it properly. That's good. That's good. That's good. 5 minutes left and I will head off. Only 5 minutes left. We have only 5 minutes left, and I will head off. And we'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time on the pre-London. So stay awake and stay aware of it. We'll be trading again, and we'll be trading good. The rejection was brutal. I mean, for the next price, it might come. I think it's gonna be coming below and closing below this 45.30 area, and it's gonna be a huge transfer price continue pushing down, and until retrace, if we we can retrace this much, 200 pips. If we close below the 45.30, we have a trade then for the shorts. But for the buys, I don't think so. I don't think so until we break above. Let me do it. Until we break above the 45.66, and then we have a range, a good range of 45.85, which is 180 pips range, 84 pips range. Then we have a buys above this area, but not within this. This is garbage. We want to break below this or break above the 45.66. That's it. That's it we want. That's all we want, nothing else. We secured the $125. That's it. It's very good. Amazing. We secured some good money, and with precision, discipline, and risk management, with profit and money management, you can keep yourself a very good trader. A good mindset brings a very good possibility to make some money. So right now we have another 15-minute candle is just closed. There's a possibility of the other buys, but we're just gonna anticipate. We're not gonna trade because we already have secured some money. Yeah, 60 and 60. Yeah, it could be like 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade, but I'm out. I am out of this trade. I mean, we already secured it. That's it. That's it. You don't want to just push yourself to make some more money, even though you have setups. You just made some money today, and that's it. You call it a day, and market is open 24/7. It's just like a shift. It's a human being. When you are doing a job, let's say $15 per hour, and you work 10 hours and you make like $115. Okay, 115 or $50. Okay, $150. That's it. You call it a day because you're tired. You're so damn tired. This is it. This is how market treats you. I mean, if you get more greedy, you are harming yourself, rushing your money into some danger. That's it. You just call it a day and don't have to push it. Don't ever have to push it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head off. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, and with some good analysis and the trades. Peace out.